She got a lot on my mind. She got a lot on my mind. I got a lot on my mind. I got a lot on my mind.
Hey man, it's your boy Chris Aaliyah, aka CEasy, and welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the lifestyle, and welcome back to another video. But man, the boy's been gone for a whole week. Like, what was I doing? Yeah, I took a little week off, I had to get some things together, but we back, and we better, alright? Guys, before we even start this video, I'm gonna need y'all to look down next to my name. Y'all see that number? We about 10 subs away from 100 subs. Let's run that up. So if you're watching this video and you ain't subscribed, please do me a favor and click that button right there. Perfect. And while you at it, you might as well just put a little thumbs up. But anyways, in today's video, we got the Transformation Tuesday, bathroom edition. All right. But this video is basically simple. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be transforming a bathroom that wasn't so clean into something, that's pretty decent. But main reason why I'm gonna start this little Transformation Tuesday series because I'm trying to stress an important message, and that message is simple. Don't feel like you're limited to the life that's given to you. Whether you're in poverty, whether you're struggling in school, whether you feel like you're unsuccessful or you're not successful, there's always a way to change that. Whether you gotta play a perfect game to get where you want to get to, that's what you got to do. But trust me, there's always a way. And I know that, transforming like a dirty restroom bathroom into something clean ain't on like the biggest scales, but it's still something, all right? But before we get started in this video, I'm gonna just be real with y'all. The beginning clips might have you like, ugh, Chris, what was you doing? But hey, stay tuned to the end, because remember, it's not about how you start, it's about how you finish. Without further ado, let's get this video rolling.
This is a Golden Bees production.
You nasty.
This is a Golden Bees production.
So as you can see, this is the finished product, okay? So we went ahead and we changed out, the pattern curtain, because it was too much going on. So we went ahead and just got solid black, and we changed the metal rod because it was kind of rusty. So we changed it to white, and for the curtain hooks, we just went with black. I feel like it complements the curtains pretty well. And instead of that big nasty little trash bin, went ahead and just got a regular black one, kind of going with the theme that we got over here, as you can tell. And y'all, come check this out. Y'all see that? Clean, you know what I'm saying? Only thing we need up in there is soap. As you can see right over here, we got it cleaned and everything. And check out the lights. Those are I think it's like daylight lights. We went ahead and got those because it brings a better feel, better vibrance to the room or bathroom, whatever you want to call it. And then come check this part out. So in here, I went ahead and cleared out each shelf one by one. And I went ahead and just topped it off with just a little, few mats. I feel like it complements it really good. But all this goes back to the message that I'm trying to portray, okay? Do not feel like you're limited to the life that's given to you, whether you're in poverty, whether you feel like you're unsuccessful, whether feel like you're not doing good in school. Even if you have to play a perfect game, there is a way, okay? So anyways, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure that you go ahead and like this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you leave a comment, and just let me know how you feel about the little makeover. But anyways, it's your boy Chris Aaliyah, aka CEasy, and I'm out.
I got a lot on my mind. 16 and O and that's 9. I got AK with the scores and 9.